students, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to start our page number 15. On page number 15 we have two activities, speaking and word study. Open up your books, page number 15. Our first very activity is about the speaking activity. I'm going to play an audio for you. You have to listen to the audio and then repeat afterwards. You can practice this with your partner. You can choose your parents as your partners as well.
Page 15. Communicate. Speaking. E. Listen and repeat. Then practice with a partner.
Hello, Emma. Hi, Ben. This is my brother. Hi, I'm Emma. It's nice to meet you.
You can practice it with your parents, right? Now let's start our word study. Today we are going to learn about opposites. You know what are opposites? Opposites are pairs of words that have different meanings. For example, big and little. They both are opposite words. Fast and slow. They both have different meanings and they both are opposite words. Happy and sad. They both have different meanings and they both are opposite words. We can use a sentence to understand the opposites. A big family. What its opposite can be. Think about it. Yes, a small family. Very good. Now let us move to our exercise. You have to match the opposites. Pause this video and match these opposites by yourself. I am waiting for you. I have solved this exercise for you as well. Let us match our answers. Old. What its opposite can be? Is it big, hot, or young? You are right. It's young. Small. What its opposite can be? Big or hot? You are right. It's big. The last one. Opposite of cold. What it can be? It's hot. Now what you have to do is you have to write down about your family on a loose sheet of paper. That's all for today.